Finger cuts work under the facing pages processing method, which makes the system better identify the foredge of the book. Fingerprints will be removed automatically. Wear the finger cuts on the left and right index fingers and press the concave with thumbs. The pattern allows the algorithm to better recognize the foredge of the book. The position of it is not limited. Keep finger cuts vertical and do not cover the content of the book. Press the finger cuts to the foredge of the book as naturally as possible. Make sure the finger cuts are in the middle part of the book so that they can be detected and eliminated in the scanned documents. Do not put finger cuts on the bottom or edges of the book. Before scanning, choose with finger cuts under the finger removal option. Adjust and align the orange dotted line on the computer with the glitter of the book. The content of the pages need to appear correctly in the preview. Scan the book and check the scanned pages. As you can see, the fingerprints are eliminated, and now you can get two perfect scanned pages.